In an escalation of ZANU-PF's internal succession war, Zimbabwe's Justice Minister Ziyambi is allegedly urged First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa to move swiftly and decisively to fire Vice President Chiwenga, declaring that the former general should forget about succeeding President Mnangagwa in 2028. Sanabna Mashoko announced our plans to fire VP Chiwenga that are now voting up and was subscribe or like on the bell icon. The revelation comes from a pair of high-level JOC-style meetings, first held in Borodale, then at Prike Farm, President Mnangagwa's private estate. The gatherings were attended by Mnangagwa himself, Ziyambi, State Security Minister Lavoma Tuke, First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, and senior operatives including Owen Mutangwe. Sources say the meetings bore the hallmarks of a Joint Operation Command JOC Council, even if not officially designated as such. According to leaked intelligence notes, the agenda was clear: to eliminate internal resistance to Mnangagwa's continued rule and neutralize potential threats, including Chiwenga and retired Lieutenant General Engelbert Rugeje. One attendee reportedly volunteered to carry out the task, defending a prayer-failed operation targeting Rugeje, who gunfire erupted by the former general was absent from the property. The pre-cap meeting followed a tense session in Borodale, where a newly installed army commander reportedly warned that if Chiwenga were removed, the barracks would be hot to touch, and even he, the commander, might not be able to enter. The statement was viewed as a stark reminder of Chiwenga's lingering grip on the military. Ziyambi, meanwhile, is privately dismissed any suggestion that Chiwenga remains in line to succeed Mnangagwa. In a WhatsApp exchange with ZimI, he shot back at claims the VP was being groomed for 2028, in quotes, who said he cannot be elected in 2030, a loaded statement widely interpreted as confirmation that Chiwenga has been politically iced out. Inside sources close to Auxilia Mnangagwa say she has grown increasingly worried of Chiwenga's ambitions and has aligned herself with efforts to extend ED's rule beyond 2028. Ziyambi reportedly cited a resolution launched last year at Pre-Cap by Shamu and TSHABANGU in ED's presidency that laid the groundwork for Mnangagwa's prolonged stay in power, bypassing any VP-led transition. Thomas Kanunda panapa pamsoro pekufaiwa kwa General Chiwenga kurikono kunzi aiwa ma loyalist emtungamiri wenyika pangwa ino aiwa they are running up vachiweya ma possible threats pamwe chete ne outcome tikantingeta 5 VP izvi zvingaitika vana kuti aiwa the new army general pangwa ino ari kuti aiwa the move to 5 VP aiwa ine ma consequences zvekuti iye pachake the new army commander anokwanisa kutora mbidzo chako nemasoja kupinda mubharaki nodako kuti masoja anoratidza kuti aiwa anenge anofarira General Chiwenga pamwe chete naGeneral Anselm Sanyatwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu, tudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.